Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we show you how to use the page background feature to its full potential. Applaud supports various page background styles to give you flexibility when designing your platform's assets. First, head to the page you want to change the background for. In this example, we're using a custom sign-in page. In edit mode, select Settings. The Page Settings dialog box opens. Scroll down to Page Background. Here we can select an image and choose a repeater style. No repeat works best with full screen images. Using this style, your image scales to fit the entire page background. You have several options when using this method. You can change the background colour by using an image of full colour. You can use an image with a gradient fade into transparency, meaning your preset Applaud background colour comes through underneath. Or alternatively, you might choose to use a whole image. Typically, assets for this repeater style would be 1920 by 1080px. The repeat style works better with patterns, rather than full screen assets. It repeats your design on both the X and Y axes. Feel free to use our examples for inspiration. Repeat X repeats your design across the X axis. You might use this method to create a cool horizontal gradient background for your page. Repeat Y repeats your design across the Y axis. You might use this to create a vertical gradient. Each style has its visual advantages, and you'll probably use a combination of all styles across the different pages of your platform. Whichever you choose, make sure the assets you use are high quality. We designed ours in Adobe Creative Suite. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.